you have a pickup truck or even some SUVs with a spare tire mounted under the back of the vehicle, you probably have one of these. Now, you may never have seen this thing, but this is a spare tire carrier. And it works by this piece going through the opening in the center of the wheel, and it gets cranked up to hold it up against the bottom of the vehicle. Uses this cable and uses a crank mechanism that turns this over here. Now, most people do absolutely nothing with this, yet it should be checked once or twice a year for rust, because what we see sometimes is that all of this mechanism in here, this piece rusts out, and this piece here with the spring on it, it just pulls right through this plate, and the wheel falls off the car. Other things that we see, and this is much more common, we get vehicles towed in. They've got a flat tire. Had a truck the other day towed in, had a flat tire. Guy got his tools out, got the crank that turns this, could not turn it. It was so rusted up and dirty up inside, because he'd been four-wheeling with it and a bunch of other stuff, so it was just caked full of mud and rocks and rust and all kinds of things. Could not turn it to lower the spare tire. So the ideal thing here is to, once or twice a year, check this whole mechanism. Number one, make sure it isn't rusting away so the tire doesn't fall off of the truck. Number two, make sure that it will go up and down like it's supposed to. And three, make sure that anything that moves gets lubricated, because lubrication will help prevent rust, and it'll also keep the gears and everything in here working properly. So you can save yourself a lot of grief and a lot of expense simply by maintaining this once or twice a year. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. And for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time, right here in Goss's Garage.